The next domain that we have is the atmosphere. Atmosphere consists of the thin layer, and in this we see that this thin layer which surrounds us is actually kept intact at its place because of the gravitational force. This atmosphere which is present actually protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays, and it consists of gases and dust and water vapor, and whenever a change occurs in either of the component, it brings about a change in the weather and climate of a place. So, this atmosphere which is there is responsible for the climate and weather of the place. Next that we have is biosphere, that is the narrow zone which is responsible for the interaction of the earth, land, water and air. That is together termed as the biosphere. It consists of both the plant and the animal kingdom. Another important feature that we have to see is as to what is the ecosystem. Now, when I talk of it in simpler terms, it means that when people living in that area are dependent on each other, are dependent on the animals, plants of that area and on other things available in that area, that is when there is complete interaction between the people and the surroundings, that's termed as the ecosystem of the area. When I have to talk about it in the form of a fixed saying or in the form of a definition, then I'll put it as ecosystem is an interaction of the living organisms with each other and with the physical and the chemical factors around them, and all of them are linked by transfer of energy and material, is together termed as the ecosystem. You can have an ecosystem of a small pond, you can have an ecosystem of a grassland, of a forest, of a big area. It just means that it is giving a kind of survival to all the people living there, and the help that they take from the surroundings and the environment things which are available is termed as the ecosystem of the area.